This is a massive restoration project. We had to make sure this building was restored accurately, just like it was back in 1913. This meant massive demolition. This was a great project for our experienced plasterers to teach our younger plasterers. They've never seen a project like this before. We had to come up with an efficient way to restore this building. We used a combination of modern technology and traditional plastering methods to make this project work. We had giant plaster pieces to restore, ornamental pieces to recreate, we had over 1,000 linear feet of molds to run. Recreating silicone molds in the warehouse and on site. We had to repair damaged pieces in place. We made it all happen. It was just another day in the office.